Alright, hi guys. So I don't look so serious as I did in the previous video about COVID and RMO and stuff like that, but I hope you're following it because situation doesn't really look very good. Okay, so why am I here today? I am here to bug you again. I'm here to tell you that I actually bought McDonald's a couple of days ago. I'm not going to tell you how many days, and this is behind the scenes of me shooting, doing food photography. I've never done it before, just trying it because I am having RMO as well as quarantine, so I'm extra bored. Yeah, all I want you to do is have a look at the picture that I've taken of this McDonald's products, which are the nuggets, the McChicken, Filet-O-Fish and chips, and just drop me a comment, just a comment on how old do you think the McDonald's is, how many days to be precise. So yeah, I mean, if you're wondering like, dude, what the heck, why did you buy McDonald's and you like kept it in your plate? That video will be another video, like why I did it, and what was I looking for? I'm not a mad scientist. Okay, so why should you do this? You got nothing else better to do or what? Okay, actually don't kid yourself, you don't, right? If you look at this photo, right, it says a lot. To some of us, RMO means family time and selfies and stuff, but to some of us, RMO totally means such a devastating phase in that person's life, right? I'm talking about those people who are on a day-to-day basis, the nasi lemak auntie, the fishmonger, the vegetable planter, fitness instructors, photographers, videographers, they're on a standstill. Maybe they have some savings, but what about those people who are actually legitimately homeless and they just know where to go for food? Forget humans, maybe animals as well. What I'm getting to is that for every comment of yours that I receive, I will be topping up an additional 50 cents per comment or a buck per comment on top of the amount that I want to give to a particular charity that I like. I'm just trying to get the ball rolling. Like right now, since the RMO, I'm sure there are certain things that you're not doing because it's RMO. So like your gym membership, your gadget buying or clubbing or golfing, you know, so something is on a standstill and you can afford to have a small portion of savings to contribute it to a charity or NGO of your choice. Go for it. This video is done purely in good spirits, this little activity. I don't mean to discriminate anybody. I just want everyone to help out each other, right? It's a really difficult time. Nobody predicted this, but here we are. So I think we can get out of it. Enough of negativity. Let's try to bring in some positivity and keep our heads up and say no to COVID. So see you at the photo comment.